Alright, so that is Cyber City trailer. So this is the official trailer, and I think it's best for us to show you and for me to see what is the trailer of Cyber City. So this is the upcoming play to earn game that you will be able to play as well in Binance Smart Chain. And if you like this content, of course, do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome update. And please do subscribe me because there's more than 97% of my viewers that are not yet subscribed. So hitting that subscribe button actually helps me a lot because I really make my time on having or looking for this kind of wonderful play to earn games that I will be sharing to you. And now let's go forward into the project as well. So this is a play to earn game with tokenized assets in NFT characters set in the futuristic endless megapolis. So it has the same setting on Cyberpunk. So the Genesis is also live, so you'll be able to buy the NFTs later on. I will be showing to you, and also on live I will be buying my own NFT to participate into this awesome project. So this is like the lore of Cyber City. So in the not so distant future, Cyber City dominates the planet and corporations run the world. So these corporations control all of the wealth and resources. So Cyber City are ugly, cruel, and dangerous, a perfect environment for the strongest and the most cunning claw their way to the top. So the play to earn mechanism here is you will be able to farm resources to build up your strength. You can also forge so that you can have a strong communities to fight together. You can also fight for domination. So of course, if you dominate something, you will be rewarded for that. You can also participate in underground companion races to earn some resources. Also, you can develop your own city block to get access to the upgrades. Now, these are the characters in Cyber City game. The first one is Cyber Samurai. So this is like the brief description of it. So a fearless warrior, ready to fight and die for his master. And also this is the armored Shiba, which is also the man's best friend with heavy armor, ready to fight to the death alongside the owner. The second characters are Hage. So the third character is Tech Priest. And that's pretty much it. So every single characters has its own companions. Like this one, he has Haj has a cyber spirit as a companion. And for the Tech Priest, he has Mectopus for the companion as well. Now, here are the clans that are inside Cyber City, which includes Polygon, Niftify, NFTB, Liquidity, Hyperjump, Allium Finance, Swap, and even Paid. Now, this is the roadmap of Cyber City. I think it's very important to know, or we know as well, what's going to happen in Cyber City in the future if we're going to buy some NFTs, because I mean these NFTs are also expensive, so it's very important that we know or we understand it better on how it actually works. Okay, so in Cyber City there's only 10,000 characters available. So probably you know Soul Chicks before. 10,000 Soul Chicks have been sold out, guys. And every single project that has 10,000 characters are being sold out. And this time, this is a new opportunity. Of course, this is not a financial advice though, for us to buy these really awesome characters. And if we're going to look at the marketplace, this is being sold for around 0.9 BNB. Just imagine if this has been this has been run out. Okay, we're very lucky that I already found it before the whales have been bought their own NFTs inside Cyber City. And this is what I'm going to explain to you. So there will be 10,000 characters. Let's just go back here. 10,000 city blocks and 450,000 in-game resources packaged in 6,000 NFT boxes drop. So there will be NFT boxes drops, which is 2 clans at the time. So this is the first batch, and after this runs out, you need to wait for a few more weeks or few more months. I'm not actually sure, but they will actually have an announcement into their Twitter and Discord server on where it be the second drop, the third drop, and the last drop. Now, boxes opening will be on November 2021. So this is like the November. And of course, they will be able to unpack the boxes and receive their characters, weapons, companions, city blocks, and in-game resources. Now for the January 2022, Underground Companion Races launch will be implemented. So the players will be able to use their companions to race, stake, and earn in the Underground Companion Circus. And of course, on the April 2022, that will be the official launch of the game. Okay, so if you have any questions about CyberCity, or if you have like a basic questions that probably answer it here, you can just click this every single questions, put it into this website, and of course you have the answers already here. Now, if you pretty much like to buy NFTs like me, I already got this link. I'm also going to put this one into the description box below. So this is how you'll be able to buy CyberCity NFTs. Okay, so there's three kinds of box that you can buy: small box, medium box, and giga box. So this costs 0.9 BNB, 2.2 BNB, and 3.15 BNB. Of course, the more expensive it is, the more worth it, the more worth the NFTs that you can probably get inside these boxes over here. Now let's, in my case, I will be buying 0.9 BNB because that's my budget. So if you're going to enter at this kind of project as well, I recommend that you have at least 1 BNB to start. So I'm going to buy it directly here. So let me just connect my wallet. So you can buy it whether you are using MetaMask or Binance Smart Chain. Doesn't matter. Okay. So let me just connect this one, and let's click buy now. Okay. So I'm going to pay 0.92 BNB for that. So of course, let's confirm this right away. So let's answer some questions. So I bought my first NFT this November 23. Okay, I've bought less than 1 NFTs. How often do you buy NFTs? I actually buy NFTs a couple times a week. What is your main goal in buying NFTs? Of course, collecting and selling it long term for a better price, because that's how you buy NFTs, guys. So I buy on OpenSea, on Liquidity, on PancakeSwap, Binance NFT, and of course I use Binance NFT, OpenSea, convenience. Okay, so let's help them, guys. Okay, so if you already bought your own NFT, this will actually pop off. Okay, congratulations, you have bought the NFT. It will appear in your item soon, and this process might take up to 30 minutes. So you can just go forward into your NFT. So this is sold out actually. So 1 out of 50 is yours. So there's a lot of people that are buying it actually. So you'll be able to see how many people have already bought it. Even Go Shiny Hunter bought their own CyberCity, guys. Just imagine that. Okay, so this is how you will be able to buy or participate in CyberCity. And also this is their Twitter account. Let me just copy and paste it to you so that you'll be able to see it in my screen. Okay, so this is the Twitter account of CyberCity. You can see that there are more than 21,000 followers inside this Play to Earn Twitter account, and they just started last September. And just imagine that, guys, 21,000 followers. They're not joking. They're not even like some sort of a project that just got launched. This has been in works since September 2021. Okay, and if you are interested to join the Discord server, you want to join the community, you want to ask any questions, okay, this is the official invite. I'm also going to put this into the description box below for your reference as well. So this is everything that I know about CyberCity, and this is my my straightforward review. Okay, and as you can see, I've also bought my own NFT because why not? 1 BNB is actually nothing if it can even go up by 10 BNB, 15 BNB, and even 100 BNB, guys. Okay, this is an NFT. Those multipliers is not impossible in our niche. Okay, so again, do not forget to subscribe into my channel. This is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome updates from you guys. And also, do not forget to subscribe again. There's more than 97% of my viewers that are not subscribed. So if you're interested into my content, and if you want to learn more about my future videos, and you want to learn more about future projects as well, do not forget to subscribe in my channel right now. And see you on the next video.